Okay, I've got this. Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Liz Grass Designs. uh, Nothing like using up leftover resin, right? I've got this little horned kitty, demon kitty. I got the 3-odd one too. I've got a little bit of mica powder, and I've also got these little eyes. Okay, so with gloves on, let's try to find. Hey, 2 matching pair of eyes. Right off the bat. Okay? This is the very sticky YRYMHT UV resin, and I chose this one because it's thicker. So I'm literally going to put a dot on each eye. That's it. Big time UV resin project there. Okay, yeah. I didn't do this ahead of time. When you look at these eyes, you want to align the pupils. So I do a line with my pen on the back of these eyeballs. Alright? Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? There we go. Same thing on the other one. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm going to place these in the eye sockets on the drop of resin. Okay. Then I'm going to align them a little bit. As in, you want them both the same level, as in flatness, as well as the up and down. Alright? So I'm just going to put this under my UV light for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to flip it over and do it again for 60 seconds. Okay, now I have one of these nail art chrome mirror powders and a little micro brush. I'm just going to get in the horns. Without getting any everywhere else. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Now, I've done a bunch of these little demon kitties. So much so that I took the demon kitty, made a polymer clay casting, let's say, then I cut off his horns and just made him a regular kitty. I don't know where that mold is, but I will get it out eventually and show you. Okay? This is just the no brand mica powder. That's just what I'm going to keep calling it, y'all. Now I'm going to gently coat the rest of this demon kitty. Gently, I say, because you want to go gentle around the eyes. Because you can dislodge them. Okay. Alright, that seems to be everywhere. Weirdly enough this time, I don't mean everywhere. I did a pretty darn good job. Just dumping the extra mica powder out. Now, I know it's green resin, but let's try to ignore that. It's also very thick. Alright. Alright, let's look at it. It appears to be full. Alright, and weirdly enough this time, my resin was nearly bubble free. Down to the last drop. Are all resin artists as stingy as I am? Let's put it that way. Alright, I'm gonna put this on my drying rack and I'll be back and we'll demold it in the morning. God, sure he is. I know this is going to be the world's shortest video, but okay, it's going to be Lynn's shortest video, but anyway. Now, sorry, no ASMR with this one. These don't make any noise at all, it doesn't seem like. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He is adorable. Oh, he's so cute. I'm in love with those little aqua blue horns. Okay. Now, this mold has been used enough that these eyes are not shiny anymore. are not shiny anymore. Oh my gosh, my voice this morning. You can take a craft knife and go around the edge of the eyes, and that little layer of UV resin will pop right off. You have to dig it off, but anyway, it will come off. And these are, since they're glass, you won't have to worry about scratching them or anything. He needs a little trimming, but he is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love him. I will insert a picture, several pictures maybe, of some of the other ones I've done. Give you kind of an idea. Oh, I'm in love with that, whatever that color is. That is beautiful. It's like a champagne bronzy, really pretty. Well, that is it for this time. I will leave the links for everything that I used down below, and I'm pretty sure these Demon Kitty molds are there somewhere, although the original ones I bought off of Etsy, pretty sure. But I do have several sets, and some of them did come from Amazon. Oh my goodness. So I will try to put whatever link I find first. I will get a little kickback from anything you buy off the Amazon list, or anything you buy once you go through the Amazon list, however you want to say that. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And seriously, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye for now.